Greetings folks, Kevin here, Meat Ranger. Welcome to the third edition of our backyard smoking sessions with my butcher's block. And today we are making a sweet pineapple teriyaki salmon, but we're doing it a little bit differently today. We're doing it on the Weber, but we're not using a normal cedar plank. We are going to be smoking it on pineapple planks. Yes, pineapple planks. This freshly filleted Norwegian salmon was kindly supplied by Gary from Seven Seas Fisheries up in Johannesburg. Please pop in folks. He has got an amazing selection of fish as well as other seafood products. They've been my supplier for a couple of years. Please pop in and introduce yourself to Gary. For today's smoking session, we're making use of Cedar Wood wood shavings from my butcher's block, one of their 6 wood shaving selections. We're also going to be making use of Cue-the BBQ, a lumpwood charcoal. All these products are available at Seven Seas Fisheries. Moving on to the salmon fillet, decent size here, so we need to apply some seasoning. I'll make use of 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, 1.5 teaspoons of black pepper, 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of cayenne powder. Liberally apply to the meat side of the fillet, and it's now ready for the next step. Heading on over to your Weber grill, now that your fire is going nicely, grab your pineapple that's already been cut into planks and sear them over direct heat. This allows the pineapple and the sugars to caramelize, and this will add an extra flavor to your fillet once you place your fillet on top of your pineapple planks. Now grab your container where your wood shavings, your cedar wood shavings have been resting for about an hour or 2 in water. Soaks it nicely, then you apply them onto the coals. Make use of your briar tong to make sure that those wood shavings settle into the coals, and then you close your Weber to make sure that that smoky flavor starts coming through into the pineapple, and until you see that nice smoke emanating from your open vents. Now that your wood shavings are smoldering nicely on the open coals, remove the lid, and now it's time to place your seasoned salmon on top of those caramelized pineapple planks. Grab your meat thermometer. I make use of the Meter Maid, my only go-to meat thermometer that I use. I insert it into the side of the salmon, going as far as I can to the center of the meat section of the fillet. Set my timer to about 57 degrees internal, which should take around about 45 minutes to an hour depending on the internal ambient heat. Moving on to our homemade teriyaki sauce, you will need half a cup of soy sauce. I made use of the low sodium, 3 tablespoons of water and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1.5 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, 1.5 tablespoons of pineapple juice, 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of ginger paste, and 2 teaspoons of garlic paste. Add this to a cast iron pot into the open coals, mix it all together, let it simmer, and once your salmon is around about 10 minutes from its final internal desired temperature, glaze your salmon and you are ready to enjoy. To complement this dish while we were using the Weber, I decided to smoke up some fresh oysters. So we did 3 different styles. We did plain, just with garlic and butter. Then we did a Louisiana hot sauce. And the third one was a Parmesan crusted smoked oyster. Folks, these were insane. Also got these from Gary at Seven Seas Fisheries. We put these on the indirect heat, also making use of the cedar wood shavings. Left them on for about 25 to 30 minutes, and they were outstanding. To finish it off, I added some freshly melted butter, garlic and lemon juice, and added a touch to each individual oyster. What a treat. As you can see, that smoked salmon with that amazing teriyaki glaze with the pineapple flavor infused into the fillet came out perfectly together with those oysters. What a combination. Thanks once again to my butcher's block, making use of their cedar wood shavings. Till next time, see you later. Keep those fires burning.